After this recipe, you'll only want to eat ground beef like this. Start by cutting 2 medium onions. Cut them in half, then into thin strips. Once you've done that, separate all the layers just like this. Now, transfer them to a medium baking tin. Add 1 drizzle of olive oil and set aside. Next, in a large bowl, add 500 grams of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 pinch of nutmeg, and mix until incorporated. This is the right mix. Now, shape it into burger patties and transfer to the baking tin with the onions. Next, top the patties with 3 grated boiled eggs. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Set the patties aside. Now grate 2 medium potatoes using the large holes in the grater. And top all the egg burgers with these potatoes. Also, top the burgers with 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything but for us. It will make all the difference. Add mayonnaise to taste. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 30 minutes. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comment section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.